Introducing the TATE PT100 Welding Machine, engineered to provide precise and reliable welding for a wide range of temperature sensors. Whether you're working with PT100, PT1000, RTD NTC, or Thermocouples, our machine ensures optimal performance for all types of temperature sensors. With advanced technology and precision control, the TATE PT100 Welding Machine delivers flawless welds for high-performance temperature sensors. It features real-time heat regulation, making it perfect for applications that require exacting standards. Whether you're in the electronics, automotive, or industrial sectors, this machine ensures your sensors are welded with consistent accuracy. The TATE PT100's robust construction guarantees long-term reliability, even in high-volume production environments. We are the direct source manufacturers committed to offering superior quality and customer support. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. For more information, contact info@oktate.com.